What if I told you the most powerful changes in your life don't need years of effort, but just 17 seconds of focus? Sounds unreal, right? But stick with me till the end, and I'll show you how these 68 seconds can completely reshape your reality. In science, there's a term called the combustion point, the temperature at which a spark turns fuel into fire. Now imagine this. Your mind works the same way. Your thoughts are the spark, and your emotions are the fuel. When a single thought is held for 17 seconds, it ignites a powerful vibration in your mind. Everything in our universe, our actions, our emotions, even our thoughts, is governed by vibrations. The moment you focus on a thought for 17 seconds without doubt or distraction, these vibrations start aligning with your desires. Hold this thought for another 17 seconds, and the vibrations grow stronger. At 34 seconds, your mind begins to attract similar empowering thoughts. And by the time you reach 68 seconds, these vibrations are so strong, they start shaping your reality. Here's where it gets mind-blowing. Science says holding a thought for 68 seconds with pure focus equals the energy of 2 million hours of physical effort. That's right. What feels like years of struggle can be condensed into just 1 minute of clarity. Transforming your reality is simple. Just follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Choose a quiet, stress-free space where you can relax completely. No distractions, no pressure. Step 2. Pick a simple, positive thought or affirmation. For example, I am confident and capable, or I am at peace with myself. The more emotional it feels, the better. Step 3. Set a timer for 17 seconds. Focus entirely on that thought. If your mind drifts, don't worry. Reset the timer and try again. Repeat this process for 4 cycles. Step 4. As you practice daily, you'll notice something extraordinary. Your doubts fade, your confidence grows, and your goals feel within reach. Take Ravi, for example. He was preparing for a competitive exam and felt paralyzed by self-doubt. But instead of giving in, he practiced this technique daily. In just 1 week, he noticed a shift. His thoughts turned positive, his focus sharpened, and his anxiety disappeared. I know what you're thinking. Can something so simple really work? The answer is yes, but only if you practice consistently. It's not magic, it's a skill. Every 68 seconds you spend focusing on a positive thought rewires your mind, bringing you closer to your dreams. Your life is waiting to change. The power to create your reality lies in your hands. So why not give it a try? Just 68 seconds a day. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as the impossible becomes possible.